So here PHP echo and print. However, there are two basic ways to get output in PHP. He says that we have used basically two types or two way or two different methods are available which we can use to get the output in PHP. So the first one is we have to use echo and the second one is we have to use print. After that, what is echo? Echo is a statement, i.e. used to display the output. It can be used with parenthesis echo or without parenthesis echo. After that, the next one is echo can pass multiple string as separated as comma. Echo does not return any value. Echo does not return any value. Okay. After that, the next thing is echo is faster than print, which means that echo gives you fast output or fast result as compared to print. So this is the syntax of using the echo. So first of all, less than question mark PHP. This is the basic syntax of use PHP in HTML. After that, here the echo keyword will become, and here the statement which you want to display on the screen. So this is how you can declare or use echo in your system. So what will be the output of this code? Hello, this is a display string example. Okay, so this is how you can use the echo function. So basically, what is echo function? Echo function is not actually a function, so you are not required to use parentheses with it. However, if you want to pass more than one parameter to echo, using parentheses will generate a parse error. What it means, he says that basically echo is not a function like printf, cin, scanf, system.out.println. Echo is not a function. Printf is a function. Scanf is a function. After that, system.out.println is a function in Java. Cout is a function in Java, but in PHP, echo is not a function. As you know that whenever we use a function in any language, what we have to use a round braces after declare the function. First of all, the name of the function will become, which is any of your own choice, and after that the parenthesis or round parenthesis will become. Okay, but in PHP, echo is not a function. Okay, so there is no need to use round braces while using the echo. Okay, but if you use parentheses while using the echo, then it will give you an error. Okay, so this is how you can use echo. So the first one is echo is a statement which is used to display the output. So what is the working of the echo? Echo is used to display something on the screen like printf, scene or cout, system.out.println. Echo is also used for display something on the screen. Okay, after that, the next thing is echo can pass multiple strings separated as, which means that we can pass multiple string to the echo, which is separated with the help of comma. After that, echo does not return any value to you. And the last one is echo is faster as compared to print. If you use print in PHP, then it will give you result in some time. But if you use echo in PHP, then it will give you faster result. So we can say that echo is faster as compared to print. Okay. After that, the next thing is display string as multiple argument. What it means that we can pass multiple string to the echo. So the first one is, so this is the syntax here, less than question mark PHP. Here echo keyword will become, after that the first string which is multiple, and we are going to separate it with the help of comma. After that, the next thing is string is argument. We are going to also separate it with the help of comma. And last, what is the string is string. which we are going to pass. So this is how we can pass multiple string to the echo or multiple values to the echo. And this is the output when this program will be execute multiple argument string. So this is the way with which you can pass multiple argument as a string to the echo for display something. After that, the next thing is displaying variable. This is how you can displaying the variable. So this is the program which is show the use of add two numbers in PHP. So here, the first of all, less than question mark PHP. So this is the basic syntax of PHP. Before using PHP, you have to use it less than question mark PHP. After that, the next thing is defining the variable. So always you know that the variable are also declared with the help of dollar sign. Dollar, this is the name of the variable, which is text. After that, assignment operator, and at last hello world, which we are going, hello world is the value which we are going to pass to the text variable. After that, the next thing is dollar num1, the value of the num1 dollar is 10, and dollar num2, the value of the num2 is 20. So here, so this is the way with which we can pass value to a variable. After that, the next thing is echoing the variable. What it means? It means that we are going to display the variable on the screen or displaying the value of the variables on the screen. The syntax is echo dollar text dot inverted comma slash n and inverted comma question mark. So this is how you can display the variables on the screen. After that, the next thing is echo dollar num1 dot plus dollar dot num2 dot equals to. So this is how you can print the variable in this form 10 plus 20 and equals to the result which is come after the addition of these two numbers. At last echo dollar num1 plus dollar num2 in the last semicolon will become. So here question mark and greater than sign. So here the PHP will be start and here the PHP will be closed. All our working is program under this section. So you have to write HTML before starting this program, HTML body, and at last you have to close the HTML and body tag also. So what will be the output? The output is what will be the output of text or with what value we are going to pass to the text. That value is hello comma world. So here the hello world will become in second thing. What we want to do, we want to add two numbers. So when we add two number 10 plus 20, the result is 30, which is display on the screen. So this is how you can add two numbers with the help of PHP. After that, the next thing is PHP print statements. The main difference between the print and echo statement is that print statement can have only one argument at a time and thus can print a single string. What it means? It means that what is the major difference between print and echo? The difference is that print statement can have only one argument. With the help of print statement, you can print only one argument or one statement at a time. But in previous example, you have read that with the help of echo, you can print multiple argument or multiple statement with the help of echo. Okay, so this is the major difference between print and echo. Also, print statement always return a value 1. What it means, the rule of the echo is it does not return any value to you. But how print is different from echo? Print always return you a value 1, but echo does not return any value to you. Like echo, print statement can also be used to print a string and variable. Like echo, he says that print is also used to display or print something on the screen. You can print anything with the help of print function. If you want to print a string, if you want to print variables, then it is possible with the help of echo, and also possible with the help of print. The major difference between echo and print is that in print you can display one value or one argument at a time, but in the echo you can pass multiple argument or multiple values at a time, and also display multiple argument at a time with the help of echo, but it is not possible with the help of print function. So this is how echo is different from the print. And the next thing is, echo is faster as compared to print. Print is slower. Okay, it is time consuming because if you want to display two or three argument at a time, the rule of the echo is it display only one argument at a time. The rule of the print is it display only one argument at a time, but the rule of the echo is you can pass multiple argument to the echo. So this is why it is time consuming as compared to echo, and echo is time saving. After that, the next thing is displaying string of text. So this is how you can display string of text with the help of PHP. First of all, less than question mark PHP. After that, print hello world, and here question mark and colon. Oh, sorry, greater than. And this is the value. Output is hello world. So this is how you can use print in the PHP. You can use echo for the display something on the screen, and you can also use print function for display something on the screen. After that, the next thing is multiple argument. This is how you can pass multiple argument to the echo. So first of all, doc type HTML body. So this is the PHP section where you can pass value. So print multiple argument string question mark and greater than body HTML. So what will it generate? It will give you an error. PHP parse error, syntax error, unexpected in home vouzjprog.php on line 6. What it means, because I previously told you that in the print function can take only one argument at a time. If we pass multiple argument to it, then it will generate an error. So in this program, what we do, we pass multiple argument to the print function. So as the result of this, what it gives a error to us. Next thing is comparison between echo and print in PHP. So the first one is type. What is the type of echo? This is a type of output string. And what is the type of print? It is also a type of output string in PHP. Next thing is parenthesis. Not written with parentheses. Echo is not written with parentheses. You have no need to write parentheses or round braces to use the echo. After that, the next thing is it can or cannot be written with parentheses. Print can be used with the parentheses, or you cannot use it with the parentheses. So it is up to you. If you want to use parentheses, then you can use in print function, and if you do not want to use parentheses, then you cannot use parentheses. So it is totally up to you. After that, the next thing is string. It can output one or more string. So why echo is more beneficial? Because you can pass multiple values to the echo function, or multiple values to the echo. Basically, echo is not a function. It is basically a type which is used to display something on the screen. That's why we cannot use parentheses, because it is not a function. But print is function. So what it means that we can pass multiple values, or echo can take multiple values or multiple string at a time. It can output one or more string. After that, the next thing is print. It can output only one string at a time and return one. Print can also take only one value, but echo can take multiple value at a time. Echo cannot return any value to you, but print can return always one value to you. So this is the major difference between echo and print. In echo, you can pass multiple argument, but in print, you can pass only one argument. Echo does not return any value to you, but the print function return one always. Okay. The next thing is functionality. Echo is faster than print. What it means, echo is faster than print and print is slower than echo, because print can take only one value at a time, but echo can take on multiple values at a time. So this is the functionality or major difference between echo and print. The difference is echo is faster and it will give you result faster, but the print is slower than echo because it will give you slower result as compared to echo. And the last thing is argument. The thing is you can pass multiple argument to the echo, but in print, what is in the case of print, you cannot pass multiple argument to the print. What is the rule of passing multiple argument to the echo? You have to separate it with the help of comma. So first of all, echo keyword will become, after that round braces. Round braces is not important in echo. After that, the dollar sign, and after that argument one which you want to pass, and after that you have to separate with the help of comma, and at last dollar argument two. So this is so on that you can use multiple argument, or you can display multiple argument with the help of echo function. But in the print, you can pass only one argument at a time. So what is the syntax? Print in the basis of dollar argument. So this is the major difference between echo and print. In echo, you can pass only one multiple argument, but in print you can pass only one argument of a time at a time. So this is a major difference. First of all, echo and print is both are output string. Okay, both are used to display something on the screen. In echo, we do not need to require use parentheses, but in print, we need to require parentheses. Okay, it can output one or more string. It can output only one string at a time and returns one. Echo is faster than print, but print is slower than echo. Echo can take multiple argument, but print can take only one argument at a time. So this is all about echo and print in PHP. Okay. So basically today we are going to start, or we are going to learn about PHP variables. So basically what is variable? A variable can have a short name like X and Y, or a more descriptive name, age, car name, total, underscore, volume, etc. So basically what is variable? We can say that variable is used for declare something. Basically a variable in rules, if you want to declare variables in PHP, then you have to follow certain rules. So the first one is a variable start with the dollar sign. Always when you declare the variable in PHP, the first rule is you have to use the dollar sign followed by the name of the variable. First of all, the dollar sign will become, and after that, the name of the variable will become. The next thing is a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. After that, a variable name cannot start with a number. It says that first of all, the rule is whenever you declare a variable in the PHP, you have to use the dollar sign before the variable. After that, the next thing is a variable name must start with the letter or alphabet or the underscore character. And the third one is you cannot use number like 1, 2, 3 in the variable. Okay, variable cannot start with the number. The next thing is a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. He says that a variable name can contain alphanumeric character, which means that combination of character, alphabets and digits. Okay, and you can also use underscore in the variable. And the next second thing is variable names are case sensitive, which means that $age and underscore age, this is in small letter and this was in capital letter, are two different variable. This one is different as compared to age in capital. Okay, so basically what we are going to discuss in PHP, a variable is declared using a dollar sign followed by the name of the variable. So first of all, the dollar sign will become, and after that, the name of the variable of your own choice will become. You can declare the variable according to your own choice. Okay. So some of the key aspects which we are going to discuss about PHP variable. So the first one is, as PHP is a loosely typed language, so we do not need to declare the data types of the variable. He says that whenever we declare the variable in the Python, then we do not need to declare the data types of the variable. Okay, there is no need to tell the computer or tell the developer that which type of data you have used in the variable. It automatically analyzes the values and makes conversation to its correct data type. It's up on the PHP language that he can easily analyze the value and make conversion to its correct data type. After that, the next thing is, after declaring a variable, it can be reused throughout the code. He says that if you declare the variable one time, then you can use it many times in your program. Okay, so the thing is, after declaring a variable one time, it can be reused throughout the code. You can use it unlimited number of times. There is no restriction or there is no limitation that you are declaring a variable and you can use it only one or two times. You can use it multiple number of times. After that, the next thing is assignment operator. Assignment operator means equals to. Equals to is used to assign the value to a variable. Okay. Assignment operator, which is equals to, is used to assign a value to a variable. Okay. So this is all about variables and PHP. After that, the next thing is how you can create and declare a variable in PHP. So first of all, we are going to discuss it with the help of a program. So this is doc type HTML. After that, because you know that PHP is embedded with the HTML. So that's why we are going to use HTML in PHP. So first of all, HTML tag will become. After that, the second tag is body tag. Now this section is related with the PHP. All this code here from here to here is related with the PHP. So the first thing is less than underscore PHP. So this, what is the syntax of PHP? Less than underscore PHP, and after that the statement which you want to execute, and last one is question mark and greater than sign. So this is the syntax of PHP. Now we are going to discuss how we can declare variable in the PHP. So the first one is less than question mark PHP, and after that $txt. So this is the dollar sign, because in PHP every variable declare with the help of dollar sign. So first of all, the dollar sign will become, and after that this is the name of the variable, which is txt. Okay, here the dollar sign, and after that the txt variable or the name of the variable is txt. After that, this is assignment operator. Equals to is a assignment operator, and this is the value or string which is going to pass. Okay, and at last semicolon will become, because in PHP every statement will end with the help of semicolon. So this is the syntax of declare the variable. First of all, dollar sign will become. After that, the name of the variable will become. And after that, the assignment operator or equals to will become. And at last, the value which you want to pass to the variable will become. So here, this is a string. And after that, dollar x equals to 5. So this is second variable we have declared. At last, we have declared third variable dollar y equals to 10.5. So it is up to you that how which type of data you want to pass. Here I am passing the string to the variable. Here I am passing integer to the variable, and at last I am passing float value to the variable. So there is no need to define the data type of the variable in PHP. Okay. After that, echo underscore text. Why echo is used in PHP? To print or display something on the screen. Okay. In C, print f will be used for print display something on the screen. In Java, system.out.println will be used for print something in the screen. But in the PHP, echo will be used for print something on the screen. So here we write echo text, echo dollar text. And what will it print? It print hello world. After that, echo inverted commas and br tag, which means that it will print the second statement in the next line or in the new line. Okay. And here echo dollar x, this is used for print the value of the x, which is 5. And at last, here again we used br tag, which means that it will print the output in the next line. So first of all, the hello world will become, and in the next line or in the new line, 5, the value of the x, which is 5, will become. And at last, the value of y, which is 10.5, will become in the next line. So here echo dollar y, so here semicolon will become, because I previously told you that every statement of PHP will always end with the help of semicolon sign. So semicolon is most important in the PHP. Okay. So the next one is, so this is the output of the code. So, and here at last, we are going to close our PHP code with the help of question mark and greater than sign. So all this part is related with the PHP, which is embedded with the help of HTML. At last, we are going to close the body tag with the help of slash body. And in the last, we are going to close the HTML tag. Okay. So here, after the execution of the statement above, the variable dollar text will hold the value hello world, because you know that but we pass the value to the dollar text variable hello world, and the variable dollar x will hold the value 5, and the variable dollar y will hold the value 10.5. What it means? It means that when this program will be executed, when we run this program, so what will be the output? So the first one is the value of the txt variable will become, which is hello world. After that, we are going to use break tag, which means that it will not come in the continuously, it will come in the next line. So here after that, what we want to print, we print echo dollar x, the value of the dollar x will become. So here the value 5 will become. And at last, echo y, what is the value of y, which is 10.5. So this is how you can create or declare variables in PHP. This is the syntax, or this is the way you can declare the variable in the PHP. Always when you want to declare variables in PHP, then you have to use dollar sign before declaring the variable. After that, first, so the syntax is, first of all, dollar sign will become. After that, the next thing is the name of the variable. The name of the variable is up to you, that which type of name you want to declare or you want to use. After that, the next thing is assignment operator, which is equals to. And at last, the statement or the things which you pass to the variable. So this is the syntax of the variable: dollar sign, name of the variable, assignment operator, and the statement you want to pass or the thing which you want to pass. So this is the syntax of declare the variable in PHP. Okay. So after discussion comparison between echo and print in PHP, we are going to discuss a basic example of echo, how we can use echo in our PHP. So the first thing is, because you know that you have to embed your PHP in the HTML. So first of all, HTML tag will become, after that the body tag will become, and the next thing is, now this is the concept where the PHP will be worked. This is here. So the first one is less than and question mark PHP. After that, echo keyword will become, after that the thing you want to display on the screen, you can write here under the echo, and at last question mark and greater than sign will become. So this is how you can use a simple echo statement in the PHP. This is the concept, or this is the syntax with that you can display something on the screen, and at last you have to close the body tag, and last you have to close the HTML tag. After that, the next thing is comments in PHP. What is comment in PHP? How we can use comment? What is the role of comment in PHP? Okay, so we are going to discuss it step by step. So basically, you have to knowledge about that PHP support both one line and multi-line comment. You can use one line or single line comment in PHP, and also multi-line comments in PHP. Okay. After that, the next thing is a comment in PHP code is a line that is not executed as a part of the program. So the first major thing about is comment, that a comment is a PHP code is a line that is not executed. What it means that comment is not executed or run in the program. It is a part of the program. Comments are the part of the program, but the thing is it does not executed. It is a part of the program, but it is not executed while we execute the program. After that, the next thing is its only purpose is to be read by someone who is looking at the code. What it means, the purpose of the comment is the person who is reading your code is to be read by someone who is looking at the code. When someone is read your code, then he has knowledge about your code, what you have written, where you declare your variable, what is the name of your variable, what is the working of your program. So this is the purpose of the comment in PHP. Okay, or in every language. So comment can be used to let other understand your code. The first thing is why you use comment, so that the third person or another person who is reading your code can easily understand your code. Next thing is remind yourself of what you did. Most programmers have experienced coming back to their own work a year or two later and having to refigure out what they did. Comments can remind you of what you were thinking when you wrote the code. Basically, he says that comment, the first purpose of the comment is so that why you use comment, so that other person who is reading your code can understand your program or code. Next big thing is that, for example, you have you are a programmer and you have a write or you are creating a website. Okay, and you know that you have to update that website time to time. For example, you create a website and there is no need to update the website for 1 or 2 years. After 1 or 2 years you have to update the website, but you have forgot about everything. So what comment did that whenever you come back to your work, or whenever you are going to update the website after 1 year or after 2 years, you want to refigure the thing, you have to revise the thing, at that time comment will help you. Comment or remind you that what you are thinking and what is the purpose of the this line, why you use this variable, why you using this statement, and when you write code, what is the purpose when you write this code. So this is all about, or this is the function, or this is the major part of the comment. After that, the next thing is PHP support several ways of commenting. So basically, PHP support several type of comment. The first one is single line comment, and the second one is multi-line comment. We can also use single line comment in PHP, and also we can use multi-line comments in PHP. So basically, standard C, C++, and shell comment symbol. So this is how you can use comment in C++. You have to use two slashes, and after that your line will be become a comment in C or C++ or Java. After that, the next thing is shell style comment. In shell, you have to use hash symbol. You have to use hash symbol. After using the hash symbol, your line will become comment in the shell. But in the C, in programming in C language, you have to use slash, after that asterisk or star sign for making the line to the comment. C style comments, this can span multiple lines. So if you want that, you can make the multi-line comment. You want that the 3 lines or 4 lines will become a comment. For that, you have to go to the first line, and at that you have to write the slash, and after that asterisk sign, and after that the lines which you want to comment, and at last line, which is fourth line, you have to write first of all the asterisk sign, and after that slash. Whenever comment will be start in C, it is slash and star, and whenever you want to close the comment in C, it is going to opposite. So this is how you can write comment in multiple languages: C, C++, Java, shell. After that, we are going to discuss that how we can use these comment in PHP. After that, the first one is HTML body. So this is the program which is embedded in the HTML. After that, this is the PHP program less than question mark PHP. So this is a single line comment. Whenever you write single line comment, you have to use double slash. And in shell, when you want that your line will become a comment, you have to use hash function or hash keyword or hash symbol to make the line comment. After that, this is the part of the C. Whenever you want that in C, a line will become a comment, then you have to use first of all slash, after that asterisk sign or star sign, and after that the lines which you want to make comment, and at last star and slash sign will become. So this is how you can make comment in different languages. After that, then the next thing is PHP case sensitivity. Because every language is case sensitive, there are certain rules which we have to follow. So this is in the case of PHP also used. PHP is also a case sensitive language. So the first one is, so we are going to discuss it with the help of a program. Okay. So first of all, we are going to embed the HTML code in the PHP. So basically, what is case sensitive? So basically, PHP is partially case sensitive. It is not fully case sensitive. PHP is basically a partially case sensitive. Okay. Basically, PHP construct function names, class names are case insensitive. What it means that whenever you use function names, whenever you use class names, at that time PHP is not a case sensitive, whereas variable are case sensitive. Whenever you use function, whenever you use classes, whenever you use anything like constructor, the PHP is not case sensitive. But whenever you declare variable, whenever you write variable, at that time the PHP is case sensitive. Okay. White space and line breaks does not matter in PHP. What it means that if you write white space, okay, and line break, that does not matter in PHP. Okay. Let's start. So basically case sensitivity I previously told you that PHP is not fully case sensitive. It is partially case sensitive. Partially means that if you write class and if you're using construct or if you're using anything in the PHP, at that case, PHP is not case sensitive. But whenever you declare any variable, at that time, PHP is case sensitive. Okay. After that, the next thing is here we have embedded our HTML code with the help of PHP. So first of all, HTML, after that body tag, after that less than question mark PHP, and after that echo. Here we use echo for print something on the screen. So hello world using echo. After that break tag, and at second line we have used capital echo. So I previously told you that the functions is not case sensitive in PHP. Only the variables are case sensitive in PHP. So this shows that if you use echo in capital letter, if you use echo in small letter, it does not affect the working of the echo. It display you the same thing. Okay, so it does not differ anything. Either you can use echo in small letter or either you can use it with the help of capital letter, or you can toggle it. What is toggle? That one letter is capital and the second one is small. After that, third letter is capital and the last fourth letter is small. So it does not affect the working of the echo. The working of the echo is it display you the content on the screen. So it will display you content on the screen. Either you can write it any in any form, either in the short case or either in the capital case or either in the toggle case. So it will give you a proper output. Okay, so here we write echo in small letter, and after that we have write hello world using echo. After that the break tag, what it means that the next line will become in the second line. Break, this is the working of the break tag. After that echo in capital letter. Here we again write hello world using echo in capital letter. After that we have write break tag, so that the output of the next line will become in the next line. Okay, after that here we write in the toggle case. What is it means of the toggle case? The first letter is capital, second is small, third is capital, and the last one is again small. So here we write the same line hello world using echo, and here we are going to close our echo function or PHP function. Here our PHP will be closed, and after that in the second last line we have closed our body tag, and at last we are going to close our HTML tag. So what is the output? The output is same hello world using echo. Either you are writing it with the help of small echo, it will display you the content. Either you are going to write it with the short form or with the help of capital form. In the next line you are writing it with the help of capital letter, and you are going to display the same thing on the screen hello world using echo. So here it will give you the same output. It does not reflect, but it means that it does not affect. It means that it does not affect the output of your screen. Okay, it shows you the same thing. So this is how you can use echo. So this is the concept that how echo is different from how PHP is case sensitive or partially case sensitive. So this is how we can say that PHP is partially case sensitive, not fully case sensitive. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all. So, so this is all about today's lecture. Thank you. Thank you so much.